Welcome to my channel Hip Tech TV, and thank you for clicking on my video. Today on this video guys, I'll be sharing with you guys how you can easily analyze trading on forex. Many people find it difficult to analyze trading, but the main important thing that you should know whenever you are trading on forex is when to buy and when to sell. And also you also need to know when not to enter trading at all. So guys, on this video I will share with you guys the little tips that you need to know before you start trading on forex. First of all, so many people overlook some certain things on forex trading, and so many people find it very difficult to understand some certain strategies before they enter trading on forex. So the first thing you need to do is, first of all, knowing everything about this time frame. Okay, time frame is one of the most important factors whenever you are analyzing a trade in forex trading. First of all, you're going to use this euro USDT to show you guys how this thing happen, or how these things take place. Okay, let me try to make this screen to be much eligible. Now this is euro USD. Now before you can start to enter any trade in forex trading, what you need to do is, for instance, whatever thing that is trending is where you are going. That's one of the secrets in trading of forex. When things are going high, make sure you are going with it, and when it is going low, make sure you are going with it. That's the only strategy you need to understand when you are trading on forex trading. So whenever you open a chart, the first thing you need to do is to use your 4 hours time frame to analyze the chart first. Use your 4 hours time frame to analyze the chart first. For your 4 hours time frame, you understand what is really happening on this in the market. Okay, like this. Now this is a bullish trend. Why is it a bullish trend? It's a bullish. In our last video, we made a video on how you can identify a bullish trend, and I said that when there are higher highs means when the second high is higher than the previous high, the third high is higher than the previous high, the fourth high is higher than the previous high, the fifth high or the sixth high. When the next high is higher than the previous high, that means it's a bullish trade. That means the market is buying. Okay, so in our 10 minutes time, now 4 hours time frame, we can identify that this market is bullish, like is buying. Now whenever once you are able to identify what is happening in the market as at the moment, using your 4 hours time frame to identify it. Okay, I won't advise you to go for 1 day, but you can still go for 1 day. Let's try for 1 day time frame. Even with 1 day, you can see that it's still bullish. Okay, you can see that it's still bullish. Okay, so once you can start with 1 day or 4 hours time frame. Once you identify that the 4 hours time frame is bullish, the only thing you need to do is to look for when to buy the market. Okay, that is the only thing you need to do. You only look for when you will buy the market. So whenever the market seems to be, like, if you look at this area now, the market seems to sell here. Let me show you guys. From this point, the market seems to be selling here, selling here, selling here, also selling here. But if you look at this critically, these areas that the market is selling, it doesn't sell so long. It's buying. You see that the green candles are much bigger than the red candles. That's to tell you that the market is bullish. So the only target you need to do is to look for your entry and enter the market when the market is buying. You entering the market when the market is selling, you are risking your trade. So first of all, know the trade of the market. Once you're able to identify the trade of the market, then make sure you go for the trade of the market. In our next video, I'll be making a video on how to enter the exact moment when you can enter but to buy your market, and also when you can exit from your market. And also I will also make a video on how you can enter to sell your market and also exit from your market in order to make much more better profit. Please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos and stay tuned. Thank you.